Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Luciano, and today let's talk a little more about the Balisong. Well, I recorded a video about the Balisong before for my channel, my English channel. Now the video is uploaded here for this channel, and basically I had a problem with this Balisong because when I started to record the video, the blade fell apart in my hand. Some of the screws of the blade loosened and fell apart from the knife. A kind of fail that sure will put me on danger if it was used on a self-defense situation. And some of you had made comments about this blade, saying that if I choose a more expensive Balisong, I will not have this kind of problem with the blade. And sure, I agree with you. This one is a very cheap Balisong, and there is a reason why I choose a cheap Balisong, and that's because I don't use the Balisong. I don't choose the Balisong as my everyday carry knife, and I don't use it on my martial arts tradition. And why I bought Balisong? Basically because people keep asking me to talk about Balisong on my channel. People ask me, talk about the Balisong, talk about the karambit and other blades. So I found this one very affordable, 15 reais, and sure, if I choose a more expensive one, it will not have those screws, those small screws, and it will not have this kind of problem. I tried to fix this blade using aluminum rivet, as you see. It's okay for here to do those movements and try drawing the Balisong, no problem about it. And for sure I will not try to carry this blade in this condition for self-defense, because at any moment this rivet can fall apart, or any other screws of the blade may fall apart, and I will not risk my life with this blade. And the most expensive knife that I have is a Brazilian knife. This one is a Tramontina Commander. Tramontina is the brand that made the Latin machetes that you may find outside Brazil. And this one, as you see, it's a survival knife with some serrations on the back, and it's clearly made and is inspired on the M9 bayonet. Those blades are expensive, and they are very nice blades. If I am thinking about carrying, open carrying a blade. But the Balisong, I think it's not intended to be used on the same situations as this kind of survival or military knife. This one, it's a folder. It's made to be used on a concealed carry. You will take this blade, put in your pocket, and carry this blade around. And if you need, you will deploy this knife and use it for self-defense. And when I look for a blade for self-defense, this is what I search for. A blade that I can concealed carry, and I can deploy this blade effectively on a self-defense situation and use it as a weapon. And I already have the blade that I choose to use as a everyday carry knife. So I have it on my pockets now. I don't have any problem with it, and I can deploy this knife very easily. And this one is the Bear Grylls folding sheath knife. Very nice pocket knife. As you see, I can carry it on my pockets with my cell phone, my case, no problem, and I can draw the folded knife with no problems. If you want, then later I may do a video about how to draw and open this kind of knife. So, and this one I paid, I believe it was 18 reais. So it's not so much expensive than that shitty Balisong. Then why I will spend much more money on Balisong in order to prevent this kind of fail of losing the screws and anything else, and all the problems that I will have, and the time I will have to spend learning how to open the Balisong, when I have another choice that is not very expensive, will not lose screws, and I can flip it around and use it for self-defense with no problems. So I will not buy another Balisong, more expensive one, and I will keep using this cheap Balisong for now, because for record videos using the Balisong, then it's fine for me for now, at least. Well, that's it. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you're not a subscriber for my channel, please subscribe, and I hope you liked this video. Well, that's it, and I see you later.